cautious about what I let my teens use to whiten their teeth. I trust the Hello products, so I agreed to let them use this Hello Epic Whitening toothpaste, the charcoal. And the packaging is sleek and modern, so it's very visually appealing to the teens. The tube is full size, and it has the mint and coconut oil combo. It sounds way better than the usual just charcoal, but why I like this and why I'm going to let them use it. Moving forward, the taste is fresh. It's not fake. It's minty with a hint of coconut and no burn. So if you've ever whitened your teeth, you get that kind of like activated feel. You do not get that with this, which I like for the teens when they have a first experience with whitening. Therefore, they can continue to do it. And this does actually work. Your teeth are super clean afterward, and my kids' teeth do look a little brighter. I have just a few uses. There's no junk in here. Fluoride free. Love it. But here is a word of caution. It is black, okay? It's clean, it works, and it doesn't taste gross. Just make sure you rinse the sink afterward. This black paste is no joke. It is black. It will get on your tile. It will get on your sink. And all you have to do is just rinse a little bit extra. Highly recommend this Hello Epic Whitening Toothpaste.